John Ynes from West Palm Beach, Florida. I took the 3-day wheel repair course. Training is excellent, hands-on, information, excellent training. I learned how to blend, do clear coat, paint, match paint, different types of paint, metallic gray, silver, black. I also learned we had 3 days hands-on. Every day was hands-on. Thousands of hours of experience, and I'm ready to get on the field and do some wheel repair work. If you're looking for somewhere to learn how to do wheel repair and all the other services they have, come here. Definitely. I'm ready to go back to Florida and do some wheel repair. Once again, my name is John Ynes from West Palm Beach, Florida. Thanks for the right look. I'm ready to get on the road and do some work and do some wheel repair.